Hello everyone, welcome to another video from me. So today I made this card. It's a birthday card, completely made out of scrap papers. During Mars, I'll only be using scrap papers when I scrap. Watch my video and see how I made it. Welcome to another video from me, Scrapping Orca. I thought I would be doing a card out of scrap. Since my challenge for March is just use scrap papers, I thought I'd be using some of these scrap papers that I've got laying around. I'm going to start with the card base. So I think I'll start with mounting this one at first upon here, and then I'll see where we go from here. So I'll cut this as the measurements and mount it. Something like that, maybe. A bit torn here. Maybe I need to change my blade. So now I'm going to cut three pieces from these papers. So now I cut 3 pieces in different sizes, kind of. Now I'm gonna cut a bit smaller mat that I'm gonna put behind it, and for that I'm going to use the white cardstock that I have laying around everywhere. So now I cut pieces that will fit. So I'm gonna mount these 3 on the white cardstock. So now I'll mount these on here, something like this perhaps. I don't know, something on here. Yeah, so let's just put them on here and see where the card takes me. I really like this challenge that I made for myself. It makes me, it forces me to think out of the box. Some cards may be pretty easy, but still I love easy cards. And maybe this will go great with this. No, like that, and maybe those leaves behind. Kind of, something like that. I think I'll have some words. I think I'll have some words on here. I'll be having this way. And I'll be having some congratulations. I think I'll be using this one. Just make sure it's where I want it, like that. Put some. So. Some ink on it. Perfect. So let's just mount this. I think I'll glue the leaves on the inside and then mount it on top of the card. So I get the leaves where I want them. So something like that. I'll put some foam pills on here so I got some 3D effects. So something like that. And I think we need something for the inside. Feel kind of dull. So I'll cut up these two. I'm gonna put on here. So I'm gonna mount it, then stamp it, and then mount it on the card. Makes it so much easier to stamp it if I have it outside the card than I usually do. So something like that. And I think I'll reuse the stamp that I had on the front side. So put that here. Kinda like that. Oh. So mount it like that. Oh, good. Worked great. Yeah. So now let's put this on here. So, and we need a bit of bling. Don't you agree? Yeah. Pretty, huh? So now just some bling then. Let's go with silvery things. So maybe a big one. Here. A smaller one down here. Oops. Here. Here. Yeah. And some for the inside. I'm going to be using the smaller ones, I think. Something like that. This was what I made today. A fun, fast and fabulous card. I hope you remember that during March it's Scrapping Orca Challenge month, where I am supposed to be using only scrap papers. I want to say thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe so you won't miss out on any of my other videos. Thank you for watching. Bye.